Need to be alone right now.
Oh my God, I need some help right now. I need back my soul, but I don't know how. I need a lawyer, or maybe convenient character placement. How am I supposed to outsmart him? The devil's too smart. Daniel, please help me. I'm a lawyer, do not fear.
Daniel is here and he's gonna save the day. It's gonna be okay to come down where it's hotter than sun. Why bother with this trial? I've already won.
I've gotta save Chavez. I've gotta knock Scratch down just like a bowling pin. Now let the trial begin.